In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ghost Feed feature in TradingView, a powerful tool that can enhance your trading experience by allowing you to visualize potential market moves with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, we need to ensure you're on the TradingView website. If you haven't been there recently, simply open your preferred browser and type in the TradingView URL. Or you can search for TradingView in your search engine and click on the first link. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log into your account. TradingView offers a streamlined login process. Just click on Login, which you'll see in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, you can enter your credentials or use any connected accounts, such as Google or Facebook, for quicker access. If you don't have an account yet, consider signing up, as it's easy and offers a variety of free features to get you started. With access to your account, the next step is to bring up a chart. Navigate to the main menu dashboard and locate the Charts option. Open your desired chart by selecting the specific forex pair, stock, or other asset that you'd like to analyze. Once the chart is up, keep your focus on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find an assortment of tools that TradingView makes available for in-depth analysis. Within the array of tools on the left, you'll spot an icon that, when hovered over, displays the text Ghost Feed. Click on that icon and you'll see the Ghost Feed line appear on your chart. The Ghost Feed tool essentially allows you to project hypothetical movements directly on your chart. This can be incredibly beneficial for comparing your predictions with actual market events as they unfold. For the next step, you'll want to customize this Ghost Feed line according to your needs. Simply click on the line to select it and then drag it across your chart. You can stretch or reshape the line to explore different scenarios and outcomes based on your trading strategy. This flexibility can help you backtest your ideas visually or create potential future paths for the price action to better understand market dynamics. Adjust the line's trajectory to align with your analysis or theory about the market movement. And that is essentially it. Using the Ghost Feed tool in TradingView is as simple as that and feels quite intuitive once you try it out. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This feature can be a significant asset in your trading toolkit, allowing you to visualize and mentally prepare for various market conditions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of TradingView's features. Happy trading, and until next time, keep honing your trading strategies.